All right, so I want to show you how to make up a wire pulling head for smaller conductors. I've been using this for about 15 years now, and I have never had a wire fall off while I was pulling wires into a conduit. So the first thing you want to do is you want to pull back about 18 inches, wrap around all the conductors. Make sure that your wires are somewhat lined up on the end like that. I mean, they don't have to be perfect. The next thing you want to do is you want to pick what wire you're going to be pulling with. I'm going to use the brown here. A lot of times people like to use the ground. So what I want to do is I want to take the tape with the brown wire around the ground first. I want to take the next wire also with the brown wire, because the brown is the wire that we're pulling with, correct? We don't want any of these wires to slip out of the head. So do a couple wraps around that, and then go to the next one, the yellow as well. Again, around the brown. Pull it tight so it stays nice and straight so you don't end up with a bunch of loops in here. So pull it straight, and then around the brown again with the yellow. Just like that. And then the very last one is our orange. I want to take this one around the brown as well. And remember, pull it straight, brown and orange together. So you can see now, I have the brown around the green, I have the brown around the gray, I have the brown around the yellow, and I have the brown around the orange. After that, on this end, you want to take all of the conductors except for the brown, because we're going to pull with the brown. And you want to stagger them. So cut, 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 cut. Nice and staggered. After that, we just take these and we tape these all the way up. We tape them up like this. When we're pulling with the brown, it's a nice clean head, and all of the other wires are taped to the brown. So when you pull it, none of these wires are going to fall off. After that, you get your mule tape or your fish tape, whatever you're pulling with. You take the wire, you bend it over, you clamp it in just like that. And then I like to cut it right here, right back at the head. And then I start on this side and I work my way back with the tape, just like that. And then I'll take the tape and I'll tape over all these conductors all the way up. And now you're ready to pull, just like that. Well, thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about electrical installations, feel free to check out the videos right here or the video right here. Thanks. We'll see you on the next one.